Hey, everybody. Welcome to my desktop. All right. Thanks, Chris. Um, just like to come in here every few days and say hello and do a market update. And we're going to start with the S&P right here. So let me go ahead and expand this a little bit. All right. The update for the market today is don't fight the Fed. Okay. We are just plowing into new all-time highs every single day. And it's a Fed-driven market. There's no way around that. I will say, that I was not feeling quite that way back here. All right. Now, this was a very bearish setup, down gap with kind of a rollover to test those lows. That was a tough gig, but this market is resilient. It's strong. It fought back. And I said, all we need to do is see a couple of closes back here above this 50-day moving averages on these indexes. And that would probably be the signal that we are good to go higher. So here we are. We're rather extended. That's really my observation so far. When we get this extended away from our key moving averages, I start to get a little nervous because at any moment, all of these days can be taken back with one swift day of selling. Stair steps up, elevator down. So if you've got some good profits, maybe you want to book a couple. At some point, this thing is not going to remain as stretched out as it is now. I'm looking for some sort of consolidation in the near future, and we'll see where we go from there. The NASDAQ also pretty much looks the same over there in tech space, very extended, even more extended to me than the S&P looks. A lot of distance between the current price and this key moving average, the 10 SMA right there. So be aware that that can be taken back at any moment, and it's healthy consolidation. The one thing I do want to leave you guys with is the IWM seasonally, the small caps. For those of you who like to trade the small caps under $5, under $10, this is good news for you because technically we're breaking out of this long 10-month channel that we've been in, and we're doing so just in time for the holiday season. Seasonally, around Black Friday and the holidays, the small cap darling names start to come to life. Don't know why, but that's just always been the case. So you're in luck if you like to play the small caps. Technically and seasonally, looks like things are going to be shaping up for you pretty good. All right. That's all I've really got for you guys today. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you next time.